How are you guys doing? We'll be working on a 2000 Isuzu FRR. We'll be replacing the starter today. On this starter, actually a few of them fit. From a 95 to a 2004, it will be the same part. If it's an FRR, FTR, FVR, and FSR. Size motor 7.1, 6HK1, 7.8 liter. All the tools you will need: extensions, ratchets, screwdriver, 7/8, 14, and 12. This is what your starter is going to look like once it's removed. Only has 2 bolts. The top one on the side that goes by the motor bottom. It's going to have 2 nuts here and another cable here. That's all it's going to be. Oh, and your ground. This goes to the chassis. I'm just going to replace the whole thing. And always, do not forget, disconnect your batteries, please. Will be on the passenger side, pretty much behind the wheel. Your skirt normally goes here. I removed it. It's 3 bolts, 12s. Once you remove that, you see the starter. That's your starter. This is the ground cable I was talking about. I'm just gonna replace. Instead of disconnecting it there, I'm gonna take it off all the way from the top. I had started this already, that's why it's loose. Once that's done, we'll get some extensions and remove number 1 and number 2. And these are the other ones that connect to the cables. This one here, this top one right there. That's all you gotta disconnect to remove it. All right, once everything's disconnected, that's pretty much the bolt where you connect the power. There's gonna be 2 cables there and a third one that comes separate. Once we remove the bottom bolt right here and the top one right there, it's a little bit heavy. You have to pull it out. Kind of hold it a bit in the pipe, get a good grip on it, and remove it. Here you go, you guys. That's the removal. We're gonna install the other one right now. Starter is out. That's where it used to go. That's what it looks like. The top bolt, the bottom bolt that holds it. Right now I'm gonna have to put the phone down, bring in the new starter, stick it in here. It's gonna hold on in these bolts. You have to get the bolt. Both of these. This one goes in first on the top one. You squeeze your hand in there. Put it on. Not gonna tighten them yet, just for it won't fall on me. I like to install these first, all the little cables, before doing anything. Then I'm gonna worry about the bottom one as well, and then once I'm done, I'll tighten everything up. Once you're done, start putting everything together, connect your batteries, then the moments of truth. See if it will turn on. And it's alive.